what I can notice is companies expect the data scientist to do it all, and they are looking for just 3+ experience, no entry level. Um, I agree with your first part, Yassine. I'm not sure I agree with your second part. So, Yassine, here's where I do agree with you, and this is important. I work a lot with my clients on this, guys. One of the things that I think that most people have like a misconception of data science is that you think like, yeah, I'm going to be a data scientist and I'm going to walk in and there's going to be this great team and there's going to be like a really solid DBA and there's going to be like an analyst that's going to do all the analytics and then there's going to be a visualization specialist that's going to do all my visualizations and I'll just do the modeling. Data science is not like that at all. Like I know this because I've lived this and I have clients that I work with. You're going to be a solo practitioner in a lot of scenarios. And in a lot of scenarios, you're going to have a boss who's not technical. So that means you're working alone and you don't have anyone to double check your work. That is super, super common in data science. A lot of people don't realize that, right? Like, honestly, and I'm not saying I agree with that scenario, but that's kind of what gets me clients. Like the single practitioner with no boss, so they need somebody to review their work. That's why I have a coaching business. Because those people, they come to somebody like me and say, "Hey, Dennis, can I talk to you about my work? Can you double check me here?" Like that's why I have clients. That's why I offer one-on-one coaching. So I know this to be true because I have lived it and because it still continues, and that's what gets me clients. So Yassine, they do expect you to know it all, but that's common. So you shouldn't be surprised by that. Now, as far as the only looking for 3 years of experience, no entry level, I disagree. If you think you're talented and that job description does fit you, go ahead and apply. Ignore the time requirement. Just go ahead and apply. Excuse me. Because think about what I just said. I just said a non-technical boss, which means that they don't know who they're looking for, right? So if they don't know who they're looking for, then they don't know that they want somebody with 3 years of experience or 1 year or 10 years of experience. They're literally not in a position to say, right? So Yassine, if you really think you're talented and you really think you can thrive in that environment, then go for it. But it's not easy.